So I was looking at Dog Star 415. D is 4. O for dog is 15. G for dog is 7 times star 19 20118. Dog star times each other, you get the 79 and the 98. Because if we're right that he goes down on the 7th day of the 9th month, we have now opened up the book of Revelation. That 98th verse, the white horse, is now in play. It's crazy. So take dog star again, 4157 1920 118, times it by Trump's number, which is 6 times 14 times 1946, 163464. And you get 795 right there up front again. Rises on the 7th day of the 9th month, goes down on the 9th month, 5th day. That's 795 fusion, 597 fusion, the melding of the two. And so when I found out that the year of the rabbit is 88 days from what I think might be the abomination of desolation date of 420, which is the 110th day of the year, April 20th, 2023, the total solar eclipse, 88 days prior begins the year of the rabbit. 88 days prior to that, which is your 176 days total, is October 26th. And remember, there's 176 days between both these total lunar eclipses. 88 in both directions. The midpoint day was August 12th, and they showed us that right at the beginning of the dark night. And we know that 1026 was on that car tag that crashed. And I think it was for your eyes only. And we've shown you that quite a few times. That car James Bond was riding in, crashing. And the tag on the car with 1026 was just enormous. So Bond is riding in the car. And that's the crash right there. You see the 1026, and you see Antichrist.
Take the little road.
1026. The Bond takes kind of a pause here. He's like, gee, what's he looking at? Looking at 1026. That's what he's looking at. And that 1026 is ginormous. That's a gigantic tag number that they're giving you there. So if he were to go down on 1026, he would rise on 1028, which is the gateway arch. Great. If that's what's going to happen, be ready, right? So Monday, the 24th, is our next grid item. Trump saying, I am Batman, the Porsche 718 birth, Trump Tower opening, 2 different penumbral lunars, one on 313, the other on 88, iPet Goat 2, official release date, GoldenEye, James Bond Begins, also known as Dr. No release date, because Batman Begins. So They're one and the same. Lincoln assassination date. So that's a thick day. That's a big day. You know. And then the 25th is just chalked. Rock, chalk, Jayhawk. It's just loaded for bear. Pardon all these puns and expressions. The 26th is Alec Baldwin Day. Progression. It's Brad Pitt's birthday. King Kong, New York City premiere, Fahrenheit 9/11, Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers, Grace Kelly's death, May 26, 2021, total lunar, and a 1961 total solar. You know, interesting days coming up for sure. If we were to look at the 24th, 48528 is the number of the day. It is also day 297, so we times it by 297. 144, 128. Hang on, my brain is not functioning. There's 68 days left in the year. That's 222, 137. Get 37 to 74. It's coming. Okay, future tense number. Okay. Times 297. Times 24. So you get the 98 for the 98th verse of Revelation. You got 007 fused with second wedding when I married the 88. It's weird. It's just day 297 times 2022. 88. Married her at 585. It's 588.5. Okay. Whatever, people. Whatever. The 28th. It's an interesting day. It's Gateway Arch Day. OJ Bronco Chase. I don't know. I don't know a lot, do I? Still just super into the whole, you know. Does Trump have any more events? Donald Trump website events. So nothing is scheduled. I'm assuming his rally was just amazing last night. I was off the grid, went to go see my son and grandson. That was very nice. My son's doing great. All right, that's about it. That's all I can really think of right now. All right, love y'all.